What excites me about this quilt is it is a pattern from my friend Denyse Schmidt, and it's called My Sunshine Quilt. I call this one Our Sunshine Quilt because we were so happy and thrilled to be collaborating with Denyse Schmidt in doing a quilt along or sew along, whatever you want to call it, SAL, QAL, next spring 2025. And what's so fun about this quilt is it has that kind of classic God's eye or cat eye construction with the half square triangles, big, juicy pieces. And it's really a wonderful way to highlight the ombrés, or you could mix your ombrés with prints. Here is the quilt kit that you get. It has all 25 colors in 3rd yard cuts. And then you get your pattern, which shows this quilt as the cover. And on the other side, when you open up your pack, is Denyse's original quilt that she did. So it's going to be a super fun quilt along because, again, the pattern's simple. It's the color, the value, and the contrast that you get to play with. We chose to do a nice saturated turquoise center and then the beautiful tiger lily around the second band. And then we go to the lights with the shell and the quartz and the dawn. And then we go even lighter with hints of green and beige. And then we go dark, and then we go light, and we go dark. So it's this real fun play of color back and forth. Great way to study color, great way to study value, have fun, and no quilts are going to be the same. That's what's so cool. None of these quilts are gonna be the same, even though you start with the same palette of fabrics.